Welcome to this video for the MOR 12-litre dehumidifier, perfect for flats and homes up to around 3 bedrooms. Choose from a range of settings via the digital display panel. Select your preferred humidity setting from 30% to 80% humidity. Choose either a low or high fan speed dependent on your current humidity levels. You can also hold the child lock button for 3 seconds to prevent any settings being changed accidentally. Simply hold down again to reverse the setting. At a maximum of just 36 decibels, this dehumidifier is one of the quietest available products on the market today. Its low-level noise means it can stay on continuously without disturbing you at home or work. If you are a sensitive sleeper, then the MOR 12-litre dehumidifier has you covered. When you select the sleep mode setting, this dehumidifier will automatically switch off all indicator lights, and the power and mode buttons will be dimmed. This clever feature also switches the fan speed to low for a peaceful, uninterrupted night's sleep, while still operating quietly in the background. To enable continuous dehumidifying, attach the PVC hose provided to the water outlet spout and select the function on the digital display. The water tank is quick and easy to remove. Once the tank is full, the alarm on the dehumidifier will sound, and the full tank indicator light will display to let you know it needs emptying. The dehumidifier will automatically shut off to prevent any overflow. We recommend cleaning the filter every 2 weeks. This will help the circulation of clean air whilst maintaining a dehumidifying performance. To do this, remove, vacuum and wash the filter using a damp cloth and soapy water. Start benefiting from our MOR 12-litre dehumidifier today.